A realtor deals with a consumer client earlier in the home buying process than a mortgage professional. So a mortgage professional will often seek out a relationship with a realtor. Better realtors aren't looking for a financial compensation model. What they're looking for is service for their consumer clients. So certain things are very important. For example, from formal application till closing, they expect the transaction to close in 48 hours. That's meets expectation service levels. If it can be done in 24 hours, that's exceed expectations. The old, it's going to take a week to get approved, doesn't work in the contemporary world. Secondly, the consumer expects a very rapid response on the telephone call from the realtor. The realtor expects the same thing from the mortgage broker. Not next day, not same day, but likely within an hour. That's acceptable as service. And finally, mobility. It's really critical that a mortgage professional travels to where it makes sense for the consumer client. If it's in the consumer client's home, that's where the meeting should take place. If it's in the real estate brokerage office, so be it. So they can't expect people to come to them. Surprises can kill a real estate deal and ruin a relationship between a real estate professional and a mortgage professional. When a mortgage professional says a client has been pre-qualified, they should really be pre-qualified. Often, they superficially pre-qualify them, which leads to the next point, no surprises at closing. It is the worst time for a mortgage professional to introduce some new requirement or some problem. And often they get overworked or they simply get disorganized and they bring up the problem too late in the process. Finally, in the area of surprises, nickel and diming on a variety of extra fees go over very poorly with a realtor because they go over very poorly with the consumer. All in fees, no surprises on charges are very critical. Realtors are split on the alternative approach to getting mortgage advice. Half of them like working with a mortgage broker because of the variety of product available. Just as many prefer working with a single financial institution because of relationships. And most of our big banks have a variety of products available, and they feel they can get that from a single banking representative.